Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've been scrolling through X and watching videos, and now you're wondering how to clean up your watch history. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want a fresh start, I've got you covered with these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Open the X app or website on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to be signed in to access your settings and privacy controls where your watch history is stored. Step 2. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner. This takes you to your account menu where all the settings options live. From there, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Step 3. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Safety section. This is where X keeps all your data management tools. You'll see several options here related to your account activity and history. Step 4. Look for the Data and Privacy option within that menu. Click on it to expand the section. You should see options related to your activity, including video watch history and viewing preferences. Step 5. Find and select the Clear Watch History option. X will ask you to confirm this action because it's permanent. Once you confirm, your entire watch history will be deleted, and your viewing activity will no longer be tracked from this point forward. And that's it, you're done.